You got an email with a DAT attachment. It's not a virus, it's a formatting error caused by Microsoft Outlook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the small decoder tool that reveals the actual files inside that attachment. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful DAT troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. System Utilities will report the DAT as a member of the data file category. Its compression method is defined by the game data rule set. The DAT file is a generic data file used by various applications, like Dragon UnPACKer, to store custom or proprietary information, often in a raw binary format. Its purpose is acting as a container for data that the parent program can quickly access and process. Developed by open source or various individual entities, the design rules are wholly specific to the application that created it. The structure is non-standardized. One DAT file may contain video data, while another holds game assets. This lack of standardization means that external tools cannot reliably read its content without knowing the exact internal layout defined by the creating software. The specialized program designed to handle DAT is Dragon UnPACKer by open source. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. To correct the file's application assignment, right-click your DAT file and choose Open With. Check for Dragon UnPACKer and test it first. If it's missing, select a different app. The key to access is finding the right tool. If the DAT file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We're dealing with a highly specific DAT file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, identify the creator. Check the file's context, folder location, file name, or ask the creator to identify the program that generated the DAT file. Next, open with Text Editor. Drag the file into Notepad, Windows, or TextEdit Mac to view the file's contents and look for identifying header text. Finally, rename and import. If the file looks like structured data, copy it, rename the copy to CSV, and use Excel's data from text.csv feature. When the standard Open With method doesn't work for a DAT file, it's time to skip straight to the definitive solution. The best move now is to use a method that's proven to work with complex DAT formats. Since we tried everything on the DAT format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at FileMagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes. That was the most time-saving solution.